Hey guys, I am Niki of Niki and Eric, and today we are here with another Eric of E&K Cabinetry, and he is going to be actually building all the cabinets for our upcoming farmhouse. And we are super excited to be working with him because actually he is right down the road, like less than a mile from our house. So we love to keep everything local. So here we are, here in Murfreesboro at a custom cabinet creator house. I don't know, what would you call it? Workshop?
Yeah, workshop.
Workshop. So he's going to be showing us the process of what goes into making custom cabinets. And he's also going to be pointing out the difference for just what to look for in a higher quality cabinet. Because nothing makes me more frustrated to go into like $1 million house and see Home Depot special cabinets. Now that I'm here, I'm going to extra be on the lookout for some cheap cabinets because these are beautiful and I love them and I want to dive in.
I'm Eric with E&K Cabinetry. First, we'll start with these doors right here. These are cut on our CNC router. This is a paint grade door. And what I mean by that is it is in one piece. Just so when you do paint it, you're not seeing cracks right here. You're not seeing cracks of where the door is put together. It's just a cleaner look.
Because over time, eventually where there are cuts at in the wood, it would start to...
Yes, it will move and crack.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. You said a paint grade. So what if you're staining the cabinets?
Oh, if you're staining, then we will use a different type of wood.
Okay.
We would use maple. This is actually a high density MDF.
Oh.
It's not a regular MDF. It's a high density.
Okay.
And the high density is a little sturdier and you don't have warping problems when you get to bigger doors and stuff
Right.
like that. So, and it also holds paint a lot better than regular MDF.
Cool. Very nice. I like that. So when you came to our house, our farmhouse, you kind of looked around, you measured everything, and you got our vision. And you put that vision in the computer somehow. And you're going to tell that computer to make the cabinets.
Right.
Can you explain how that works?
Yeah, so we have a software called Cabinet Vision that we use to draw up our cabinets. Just makes things a lot easier. We got 3D versions, we have shop versions, which tells you the exact measurement of what your drawer size be to your door size. And we can transfer all of that to this CNC router right here and that computer right there. Now this is a Shop Saber CNC and it is made in the US. This is a well-built machine. It does have a separate vacuum system that we use, and then all your electrical is done over there, and all your different bits that we have, different cutters and stuff that the machine uses is right there on the end. The machine does pick it up manually. We cut doors, shelves, dovetail drawer boxes, and a few cabinet parts on this.
So what you would do is you would take a large piece of the MDF board, and then you would place it up here.
Yep.
And you put into the computer system what to do, and it changes it all, and then it cuts it.
Yes, ma'am. It goes to work for us, and as long as we've got everything in that correctly, it'll cut it correctly.
Right.
Once we put a board up here, the suction is so strong that you could take your hand on it, and it'll suck the middle of your palm to keep the dust down and stuff.
Now you're saying suction. How does it, what do you mean? Where is
It's
it
got a
sucking at?
vacuum.
Oh.
A vacuum hose under there, and it keeps the dust down and, you know, stuff from flying everywhere.
I mentioned to you when I walked in, I was like, I thought this would be way dustier, and it's not at all. That's awesome, but this is why, I guess.
Yep, a lot of people ask that, and then we do usually stop 30 minutes before quitting time, sweep up, you know,
Right.
make it easier.
So, all right, you have all your stuff on here and it's cut, then what do you do with it?
We take it, put it on a cart, wheel that cart over, the dovetail drawer boxes will get put together, the shelves will get sanded and edge banded, and then our doors, they'll get hand sanded over here. This is where they do all of the sanding, putting face frames together for cabinets, putting cabinets together, and then when he does have the cabinets ready, he stacks them right there. These right here are actually dovetail drawers that haven't been put together yet. They come straight off the machine.
Now question, when you say a dovetail drawer, I have noticed a lot of Home Depot special cabinets or a cheaper line of cabinet does not have that. What is the benefit of a dovetail, and what is a dovetail exactly?
Your dovetail is this right here, these little notches cut out, and then it just slides together and it's glued in. And it just makes a way sturdier drawer. And when you have 4 of them connected like that,
Lock in.
yeah, it's almost impossible to break.
Whereas sometimes a cheaper one would just be cut at an angle and glued.
Right, just glued and nailed in.
Got it, cool. So we put all the pieces over here and then we make the cabinet.
So these are some that have been put together, and then they go over to the finish shop and get sprayed and finished. This is the finish shop, and we do keep this separate from our main shop just to keep the dust down and all of that. So when the cabinets come over here, they're already sanded, blew out. We just tape off and start painting. This is a custom bathroom cabinet. It has doors top, midsection, and all drawers on the bottom. And again, this is a custom cabinet, so it's in one piece. Just looks better that way without seeing different seams.
Like a chest of drawers, like you could go put this in a bedroom or something.
Right, like a furniture piece.
Yeah, furniture piece.
Yeah.
What are these for? Are these just where you can change your shelving?
Yeah, for adjustable shelves. So
Okay.
you can put your shelves wherever you want. And we use same color caulk that matches the paint.
Right.
All these are waiting to get painted, and these, it looks like he's got clear coat over, so he's putting finish over the paint. So just like a stain cabinet,
Right.
you would stain seal it and put finish over it. We put finish over our paint. Better look, better feel, and the hold up time's a lot better. This is what the cabinets look like installed and finished. This is our shaker style, painted, finished. And as I was talking about earlier, it's just a cleaner look. You're not seeing cracks in there. You're not seeing cracks right there where the door is put together. It's just a cleaner look.
And you go all the way to the ceiling.
Yep.
It's a trim piece up top.
Yep, and you can barely see a nail hole up there.
Well, Eric, this was wonderful. Thank you so much. We are gonna have to bring him back on when you come do our cabinets and like install them and that whole process. So we'll be seeing Eric again.
Sounds
All
good.
right, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will link their cabinet shop down below. So if you wanna hit them up, hit them up.